Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new post on TikTok with video from my gallery. I'm going to go to my TikTok application and I'm gonna click on this plus icon to create new post on TikTok. And I'm just going to open up my gallery and choose one of the video in my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one, and here we can either choose edit or next. It's the same. If you want to go to the TikTok editor, you can click on edit, but here I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and here we'll be able to use the editing tools right here guys. If you want to change the voice, you can click on this little arrow and then go to the voice menu. Okay, and wait, I'm going to show you the original voice. Okay, this is my original voice, and I'm going to apply voice changer to this video. You can choose the voice changer or voice filter you want to apply to your video, and there are some categories. Okay, there are popular, category, creator, and then character, and I'm going to show you some of them.
I don't know, but I'm happy today.
Okay.
Today is a special day actually for
Right guys, I'm still trying to find a suitable voice changer for my video. I'm gonna make my video hilarious, so I'm going to apply Bunny voice changer.
I'm on the way to the office.
Okay, I think I'm okay with this one, guys.
I don't know, but I'm happy today.
Okay, and once you're done choosing the voice changer, you can click on save. Okay, and then you will be able to post this video to your TikTok. I'm going to click on next. Okay, and now the video will be uploaded with the voice changer on it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change voice on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, a like for comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.